Ah, Saturday. Nothing like a good day.
Ring, 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 ring. Ring, 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 ring. Ring, 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 ring.
Hey, yo, Jade! What's up, man?
Ano na naman ba yon? Tsaka bakit yung boses mo? Parang fino-force ka.
Look, I can't attend you right now, but I need someone to assassinate. But I don't want to get in trouble, so can you do it for me? He's like the black dude at the hotel, GDF Hotel. They're having a party without me, bro. I know this isn't that deep, but kill them.
Ba't ka nag-i-English? Tsaka ba't ka naman gagawin yun?
Well, what? What the fuck?
Ha? Nangyari sa kanya? Tsaka ba't nag-i-English yun? Baka kinidnap. Anyways, gagawin ko na yung sinasabi niya. Baka naman importante yun. Ganda-ganda ng araw. Tapos may papagawin siya yun. Hi, Kimberly. Wait lang, baka may nakatingin. Teka, private island ko to. Paano sila makapanood dito? Hindi ka ta. Ito na naman. Ba't ko pa ibabalik to? Wala naman mapasok dito. Pero gagawin ko pa rin just in case. Sports car! Yippee! Dahan-dahan sa sports car. Tagal nun. Hinanap ko pa talaga tong aliwan. Dahan-dahan lang sa kotse, sarili. Baka naman masira yan. Dito ba ako magpapark? Huwag na, baka makita nila yung plate number ko. Dito. That should do it. Dito ba yun? Yung mga assassinate ko. Ba't wala siya dito? Anyways, sabi niya sa may JD Hotel daw. Ibig sabihin, banda dito ba? Ayun! Tama. Dami pala nila. Nagpa-party. pala. Nakakalimutan talaga.
He's like the black dude at the hotel.
Yung itim. Parang racist naman, pero okay. Shit, bro. Ang pangit ang aim ko. My God, I made it! Tapos, yun, kauna ko tayo mga ako. Papatayin ko na yung mga kasama niya. Para na rin yung makulong. Aray ko. Anyway. Takbo, 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 ha! Takbo, takbo, takbo. Easy lang. Sana yun lang. Ay nako, malang sipa. Shuttle na ba ako? Yeah. 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 Matik na yung maging yun. I hate stairs. One, 2, 3, 4. Strike! Two! Buhay pa. Two. Boom! Diesel. Ayan ang mid-air. Home run! Point. Mid-air. Catch out. Joint. I just killed 9 people. Let's go. I'll let go before the cops find out about this. Hold up. 9 people? Doesn't this hotel only have 6 rooms? What the what?